Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to Calm Speak English. Good morning or good evening to you. Today, we are going to make friends with three little words: in, on, at. Many students find these small words confusing. They feel stressful. But here, we don't stress. We take our time. Forget complicated grammar rules today. Instead, imagine a gentle shape, a triangle. At the top, it is wide and open. This is in. In the middle, it gets smaller. This is on. At the very bottom, it is a tiny, sharp point. This is at. Let's explore them slowly. Listen to the silence and repeat gently after me. Section 1. At, the sharp point. Let's begin with the smallest point, at. At is very specific. It is for an exact time on the clock or an exact spot. Think of a tiny point on a map. Listen and repeat. At 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. At noon. We eat lunch at noon. At night. The stars come out at night. Now for specific places, the exact spot. At home. I feel safe at home. At the door. Someone is at the door. Section 2. On, the middle. Now let's move to the middle, on. On is a bit bigger. It is for days and dates. Also, think of flat surfaces, like putting a book on a table. Listen and repeat. On Monday. I work on Monday. On my birthday. I was happy on my birthday. On July 4th. Now for surfaces. On the table. My coffee is on the table. On the wall. The picture is on the wall. Section 3. In, the wide open top. Finally, the wide open top. In. In is big. It is for long periods of time, like months and years. And it is for being inside big spaces or closed boxes. Listen and repeat. In the morning. The air is fresh in the morning. In December. It is cold in December. In 2025. In the summer. We travel in the summer. Now for big or enclosed spaces. In the room. I am sitting quietly in the room. In London. She lives in London. In the garden. Flowers grow in the garden. Very good. Let's take a deep breath. Remember the shape. Wide for in the morning, in London. Medium for on Monday, on the table. Tiny point for at 7 p.m., at home. Don't worry if you make mistakes. These little words take time. Be patient with yourself. You're doing great. Have a calm and wonderful day. Goodbye for now.